Welcome. In front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to check the temperature of your laptop. To do that, we'll have to use a program called CoreTemp. So open your browser and input CoreTemp, so search for CoreTemp. The official website is allcpu.com, CoreTemp. And to download this application, click this button down here. Now open the setup file, click yes, click next, accept the user agreements, then select the destination folder. You can go with the default one or you can just choose your own, then click next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, then keep this checkbox checked. I don't want it, so I'm gonna uncheck it. Also, be sure to uncheck this one checkbox if you don't want any additional software, unwanted software on your laptop. And if you want, you can install additional language packs, but I don't think I need it. And once you're ready, click next, click install, and wait until this program is installed. Now launch the CoreTemp program, and right here you'll be able to see the temperature of your processor as well as the information about it. So here you can see the current temperature of each core. It's around 40 degrees Celsius. Here you can see the minimum registered temperature of each core, and here is the maximum registered temperature of each core. And that's basically it. That's how you check the temperature on your laptop. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.